If you're gonna charge big bucks for a device, you better come straight. Gadget Beer. What's up, Gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beer. Today we have an unboxing of the OnePlus Open. Now, I've been super excited for this device because I absolutely have fell in love with the Google Pixel Fold because of its form factor, and this one right here has a very similar form factor. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Very similar typical OnePlus packaging. You have the iconic red box and black lettering. OnePlus Open. OnePlus in partnership with Hasselblad. Obviously, it's going to have the Hasselblad cameras. So let's go ahead and rip this little sticker here. Bam. And there you go. And I believe this bad boy opens. And look at that. Dude, Samsung and even Google, y'all better pay attention. This presentation right here is off the chain. Look at that. Bam. If you're paying big bucks for a device, make it seem like you are getting your money's worth. And this packaging unboxing experience absolutely does. Look at that. Never settle. The phone is presented, it's elevated towards you. The phone is presented here. Bam. Let's go ahead and put this bad boy aside and see what else we get in the box. Get your money's worth, people. You get the charging brick here, and I believe this is a 67-watt fast charger. Bam. Included in the box, you get a case. Look at that. A case also included in the box. Look at that. Feels very nice. Soft, like leather-like material. Bam. This is the front portion of the case. And you get the iconic red cable, USB Type A to Type C. Bam. Also in the box. And all your mumbo jumbo quick guides, safety guides, membership card, 5 more benefits, and welcome guides here. Bam. In the OnePlus. Did I get stickers? And use SIM ejection tool. And stickers right there. Look at that. Stickers. An unboxing is incomplete without his stickers. But you get all that for, I believe this phone goes for $15.99 or $16.99. It's $100 cheaper than the Google Pixel Fold and the Galaxy Z Fold Plus, which is absolutely fantastic. But they did have some great trade-in deals. I don't know if they still have them going on. They might have some more good trade-in deals here coming up on Black Friday. I'll keep you posted if they do, but let's go ahead and put this bad boy back. Look at this great experience. Look, absolutely love what OnePlus did right here with this unboxing. It feels like you got your money worth. So let's take a look at this bad boy right here, the OnePlus Open. And I did go ahead and go with the black one. Let me remove this sticker. And this right here feels absolutely similar to the case. It actually feels the same. This is their vegan leather, like what Tesla uses in its seats, apparently. But feels good in hand. You don't get any fingerprints or anything like that. On the other side, look at this display. Feels absolutely fantastic. Very nice premium hardware. Bam, look at that. I love, let's fold it. Nice fold. Bam, look how thin this bad boy is. It is, you can tell it is a bit light. It is lighter. It's way lighter than my Pixel Fold and the Galaxy Z Fold. But the camera hump is absolutely humongous. Look at that. Damn, it is pretty big camera hump. I ain't gonna lie. Um, I would have had a thicker phone, smaller camera bump, same weight, probably would accomplish the same. But it absolutely looks and feels fantastic. Let me go ahead and power this bad boy on for the first time. But wait, something I am looking here that I absolutely love and like. Everything's so symmetrical. Look at that. You have either speakers there or mics. Boom, boom. You got the lines, antenna lines, very nice and symmetrical. Nothing seems out of line. You go to the back, it's the same thing. You got speakers there, your power port, mic. Everything looks unified. Volume, power button, volume rocker, mute slider, thin hinge. Looks absolutely fantastic. Let's power this bad boy up. Am I touching the... See if it has juice. Bam. Look at this. So I'm going to go ahead and power this bad boy up, and then I'll go ahead and come back. I'm going to set it up real quick. I have my OnePlus 11 right there on the side. I'm going to go ahead and copy it from it. But look at the difference between the OnePlus 11 and the Fold here. Now the other color is, I believe, this color here. I think is very similar to this color, if I'm not mistaken. But that is a size comparison. The camera module obviously way bigger than what you find on the 11. But let me go ahead and set this bad boy up and come back and give you my initial impressions of the OnePlus Open. All right, so we're back with setting up the device, and right off the back, it's very nice, fluid device. Feels good in hand. I am rocking the case here. Let me remove the case, and the case absolutely feels just like the. Let's go ahead and see if I can, even if I can remove it. How do I remove this case? I just installed it. There we go. It actually feels just like the backing here. It feels very similar. You can rock this without the case because I absolutely love this brush finish right there, and it's super light. But to protect the camera lens there, because it is humongous, I am gonna rock the case there, and it does not add any bulk or any weight to it, and it's the official case, so it's absolutely good right there. Look at that. But fingerprint reader works just fine. I think I used it too many times. There we go. Let's try that one more time. Look at that. It's fast, reliable, nothing wrong with that. One thing that I don't like right off the back is that I can't add a fifth icon here. You're stuck to this 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 by 5. I usually do a 5 by 5 or a 5 by 6, I believe. Even with the smaller screen here, let me show you something. So this is my Pixel. Look at that. The Pixel, I can go 5 across. This one, I can't even go 5 across. Even with, where's this bad boy right here? Even with the Z Fold 5, which has a narrower screen, you can go 5 by 5. You can't go 5 by 5. You can't go 5 across. And you on the OnePlus Open Fold, you can only go 4. This is a narrower screen, and you can go 5 across, as well as in the Pixel Fold 5 across. Right off the bat, that I do not like that right there. Hopefully there'll be a software update to fix that. But besides that, I think it's the same on both sides. So you can go only 4 and 4. Let's see. 1, 2. So it has a bigger display, and you can only go 4 and 4. And on the Pixel Fold, you can go 10 across. You can only go 8 across on that. On the Pixel Fold, you can go 10. On this one, on the Open Fold, 8, 10. And I believe it's going to be the same for the Z Fold 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nope. It's even worse on the Z Fold 5. You can only go 7 across. And that I absolutely don't like. But besides that little minor hiccup and stuff like that that could be fixed with software, this thing looks absolutely fantastic. The front display looks very good. Everything's nice and fluid. There's no hiccups or anything. The migration from the OnePlus 11 to the Open went smoothly. I can't wait to start using this. I do have a trip here coming this weekend. I am going to take this. I'm going to take a lot of pictures because they're talking about great things about this camera, and I'm going to let you guys know if it is good or not, how well it compares to the Pixel Fold, which is my favorite device right now, and the Galaxy Z Fold 5. If you guys have any questions in regards to the OnePlus Open, leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.